Hello guys, welcome welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be doing the quickest, most random video ever for you guys. I have been meaning to do this for quite some time, ever since I got these products in the mail. However, being the slacker that I am, I have not filmed this, and I just wanted to film it because I'm just really excited about these products in general. So that's why I decided to do a swatch video on the ColourPop and Shayla collection. This is the second part of their collection. This one is, I got the lip bundle called Slay Day, and I thought that was really cute, and they are still going with the whole paint splatter packaging with it. This comes with 3 lip products. There's 2 matte lippies and 1 lip gloss. So I'm just going to do a quick little swatch video for you guys. Nothing major, nothing too serious. I legitimately just want to swatch these products for you guys so you guys can see what they look like on me, in case you were ever interested in them, because I do believe they are still available on ColourPop.com. So yeah, let's get into these lip swatches. However, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for, girl? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know you want to. So yeah, let's jump right into this video. So these are the 3 lip colors that we have. They look super cute. They are kind of like dark red, bright, so my lips might be stained. I'm first gonna go in with this purple-ish one called Shay Day. Let's see what we get. So this is what Shay Day is looking like. It's very pretty. I don't know how I would describe it though. I think this would be like a purple pink, like a muted purple pink though. It's not like as vibrant as you think that it's going to be on your lips, at least not on me. I really like the way that this looks. I would definitely wear this out in the fall or the winter, just because, like I said, it's kind of muted on me. So it's not like a really bright like fuchsia color, but it has the potential to be, you know, give or take. But either way, I like it. I like it a lot. The next lip shade that we're gonna go in with, this one is called Season 10, and it's like a reddish color. Something that I did not say before, these are the ultra matte lipsticks from ColourPop, and y'all know how long wearing those are. I actually really don't like this formula that much because it really dries out my lips like to an uncomfortable level, and even just taking that off right now was really uncomfortable and like kind of high-key painful. So if you have really sensitive lips, then I definitely would not recommend these. But let's go ahead and swatch Season 10. So this is what Season 10 is looking like. For this shade, I did have to do 2 dips into the bottle to get it to look the way I wanted it to. However, this is a very pretty red. It's like, to me though, I don't know if you guys like are seeing what I'm seeing, but it looks like more orangey red than like a blood red, if that like makes sense to you guys. But I really like this shade. This is super pretty, and it has already dried down. I'll tell you guys, these mattes from ColourPop don't play games. Now on to the gloss. Finally, my lips are dying. So this is the gloss. It's super shiny. This is called Drippin. Has like a lot of like rose goldy, different like reflexes of glitter in there. So that looks really cute. This is super cute. It's very reflexive. I like that a lot. And this is like such a good gloss. Like if you're a gloss person, I think you would definitely love this. So yeah, those are all of the 3 lip products that come in the Shayla X ColourPop Slay Day collection. I believe these 3 together are like $16, but Black Friday and stuff, theirs are coming up, and I believe ColourPop will be having a sale, so you could probably snag these for a little bit less than that if you really wanted them. I think they're definitely a really good investment because you get like one good gloss, you get a really nice kind of boldy color but not too bold, and of course an everyday perfect red that everybody just must have is a staple in your collection. So I think that this is definitely a really good deal, but as I mentioned before, if you have really sensitive lips, please stay away from the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippies, but that's just my humble opinion. I hope you guys really enjoyed this really quick fun video and just my little quick thoughts and opinions on these products. As always, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I would love to have you join this little crazy world that we have going on around here. And until then, see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys had a happy holiday.